Hi, this is Jake. Today we're going to set up Einstein, the Newton emulator, on macOS. To get started, you'll need two things. First, a copy of the Einstein binary. You can download a release from GitHub or compile it from the source code yourself. We'll be compiling it ourselves. While Einstein development isn't progressing at a breakneck speed, the source code still might be slightly ahead or slightly less stable than the provided release binary. Second, you'll need a copy of the Newton ROM file. This file is still under copyright and cannot be distributed. If you own a network-capable MessagePad 2000 or 2100, then you can dump the ROM over the network using the ROM dumper package. Full instructions for this can be found on the Einstein Wiki. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a ROM file named 717006.rom. Let's begin with compiling Einstein from source. You'll need Xcode installed, which can be downloaded from the Mac App Store. Head over to the Einstein GitHub repository and download a copy. You can download and extract the zip file, or if you're familiar with Git, you can clone the repository directly. Next, navigate to the build Xcode directory and open the project file einstein.xcodeproj. In Xcode, make sure the Einstein My Mac target is selected. Then select Product, Build, and Xcode will begin compiling Einstein. When complete, navigate to the file list on the left-hand side. Under Products, find einstein.app. Control-click and select Show in Finder. Place the app in your Applications folder or wherever you prefer. When you run Einstein for the first time, it will ask you for permission to access your address book. This allows Einstein to pre-populate some of the owner information to NewtonOS. It will also create a folder in your Library Application Support folder called Einstein Platform. Place your ROM file there. Then, in Einstein, select Choose and select the ROM file you've placed in that location. Before completing the initial welcome and setup, we need to install a system patch. The Newton has a bug that prevents handling of dates past January 5th, 2010. We'll install the patch to fix this issue. The patch can be found at 40hertz.org. Once downloaded, install by clicking the Install Package button in the toolbar, and then selecting patch.pkg. After rebooting, you'll see the system version at 711000. Now step through the welcome and setup, and you will be able to select the current date. You'll be good till sometime in 2026, when the bug will rear its ugly head again. And that's pretty much it. You should now have a working NewtonOS emulator. In future videos, we'll take a tour of NewtonOS, set up a toolchain for developing apps, and start looking at other aspects of NewtonOS development. You can find links to all of the relevant bits mentioned in this video below. Thanks, and see you next time.